Hi, my Cola Pals, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. To all of my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support. To all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. To anyone who's stopping by, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel though. Please subscribe and please turn on notifications, and that's the little bell that's beside the subscribe button. It looks like a little bell. You just click that and it will notify you when I post a new video so you won't miss anything, okay? Now, jumping right into video. I was on my way out and I received a little package and I thought, you know what, girl? It's been a long time since you posted this thing on your channel, and you know it's quarantine, and this is how I'm talking to myself. You know it's quarantine and people don't want stuff and people can't get stuff, so go and go show them. So I came back up the stairs and I got my BoxyCharm. Now because, yeah, don't even. You stick yourself under the box. There you go. You're trying to make your damn self seen. Anyways, because of COVID-19, it took a little longer. All this stuff are taking longer to get to us. And I know that a lot of people who are into skincare and beauty can't really, well, they can't go to the store anyways to get these stuff because stores are closed. And if you want to kind of skim it down a bit, you go to your local drugstore, but they don't always have the stuff on the shelf. So it's either you wait a million years for your stuff to come from Sephora, Ulta, wherever, or you go to the drugstore and it's not there. So this subscription is actually really good to have because you get stuff in here that you didn't even think you needed or wanted or would have tried in the first place, and you add it to your collection. So that's me. Now I'm not going to give you the price of the box because I'm not going to pay for this. I'm not going to pay for this. Okay, and also they have different levels of how do I say payment? No, they have different boxes. They have different subscriptions that you can subscribe to. I currently do the base box with the Luxe box, and the Luxe comes every 3 months. The base box comes every month. The Luxe box, obviously not obvious, but the Luxe box, LUXE I believe it is, or LUXX, can't remember. I think it's LU, I don't remember. Anyways, it has a lot more stuff in there, and yeah, I just can't wait till 3 months for me to get my stuff. Like, it's always so exciting. However, the base box is good too, because a lot of times I'm just like, oh yeah, I needed that, I didn't even remember I needed it. Or, oh my god, this is new and let me try it out. Like it, don't like it, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, and I give it away. With that being said, I think that I want to do a giveaway to my subscribers. However, I want to make sure that I reach a certain goal first. Goal meaning a good amount of subscribers and watch time. So if I see that there's engagement and there's not normal, what the hell am I saying normal? I ain't normal. When there's regular engagement on the channel and I see that, those are the people that I would consider for my giveaway. I give away things all the time anyways, so why not reward you with something that I love and is willing to give up? Why not? Okay. So let's open this box up. That milk says. And here is the stuff that came in this month's box. First thing is first is it's the card. The card basically just describes what's inside the box, all the products that are in the box, and it also gives you the price of the product. Okay, so you're not left guessing, was this worth it, was it not? I don't know, but hey, you're literally, to me, if you go to the website, you'll see that you're literally paying for most likely the lowest item price in the box, and you're getting everything else, and they're all full size. I don't think I said that, but let's get into it. So the first thing is a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. It's a creamy, nutrient dense soothing mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. The price of this is $49, and I can tell you from now, this box is half that price. So here we go. So there you go. So you got this full size, and this is your skincare. Are you seriously calling me right now? One second. Yeah. Back to the regular scheduled program. Next on the list, Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Okay, this one is $34.99. And I do have Ace Beauty eyeshadow palettes over there. They're pretty good. Open sesame. Okay, this one's called Scarlet Dust. Yeah, it's called Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust. And here are the colors. And my face lit up because there was a requested video for a certain technique, or a certain technique that somebody wanted me to do a how-to on. So I think I'll use this. Sorry. I just said sorry to the box that fell. Oh boy. Okay, the next thing, Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. So this one is $22, and it Encaged eyeshadow primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadow by making them vibrant and long wearing. I need to wear glasses. Fine, whatever. So that's that. Next thing. Next runner-up is I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. These Dead Sea minerals plus vitamin C serum makeup remover wipes helps prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin. This one is $17. Also removes waterproof mascara. See, you can never have enough makeup remover wipes ever. If you're a makeup wearer, you can never have enough wipes, and honestly, that's what I mean about this box being kind of essential, because you never know what you really need, and when it just comes to you, so like, oh yeah, I am down to like 3 wipes, and here comes a brand new package. You don't even have to go outside to get it. All right, we have the Estetica Trio eyeliner brush set. This 3-piece eye and brow brush set features the highest quality synthetic brushes for flawless brow and eyeliner makeup application. This is $45 for 3 of these. Damn. So there's a angle brush, a eyeliner brush, I call it pencil brush really, and the spoolie. And this is here what it looks like there. And I think I will put this in, I'll put this in reserve somewhere. I like them. Should I? See, that's the thing when you like makeup.
I was like, should I give it away or should I just keep it? Because it's so pretty. Oh my god, this color is so nice. Oh my god, the packaging wise is so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, I like this one because I can't remember, but I like it.
I have too much stuff. I can do a giveaway. Okay. So yeah, I'll put that in the box. But that's it for the, that's it. That's what's in there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stuff, and I gave you the prices, and I already let you know off the bat. Let me see something here. Okay, so the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is this one, is what you paid for without giving the price of the box. You were paying attention. And then you got all of these basically free. See what I mean? Pretty worth it. So the Luxe box is coming in May, and I'm very excited for that one. If you want to see what is in that box, what comes in that box, let me know in the description box below. And sorry, I'm popping this. Let me know in the description box below, and I will get that done for you. So as soon as I get the box, I'll just post it and show you, and you can make your decision from there whether or not you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm. Okay, my lovely, so till next time, stay safe, stay blessed, be kind to one another. Please watch my other videos and stay blessed and stay safe. Did I say watch the other videos? Love you.